Okay, we're going to go ahead and show the tool we just did for lifting up steel pipe loading into a CNC. Obviously we don't have the CNC here. This tool itself is designed to lift up from a 3-inch to a 6-inch cylindrical piece. It is on a Gorbel Easy Arm, which is a very easy to move arm. You have a proportional up-down control that'll go faster as you depress the button further and slower with a lighter push. So very easy to spot with this unit. You have a button right here that allows you to spin the handles depending on how you're loading your machine. So you have 180 degrees of freedom here on 90-degree detents. The way I want to pick it up right here is like this. We have an anti-drop circuit built in up here, so you cannot release the part in midair. We'll go ahead and come onto this part. It is a full-on grip and it's a momentary release, but you'll notice I'm holding the release button. It will not release in midair. This unit itself has a floating handle, so you can take this down close to the ground and keep your hands in a good ergonomic position, as well as take this up, above shoulder height, to shoulder height or so, and still keep your elbows and shoulders in a good ergonomic position. So the floating handle is a very nice feature on these tools. We will go ahead and set this down. This tool has a momentary release, so you don't have to release it all the way depending on the clearances in your machine. So you can take the air off and then jog it open just enough to get clearance to allow that thing to come off. Now we're going to go ahead and show the Gorbel Easy Arm. The one thing I want to show about this, these are great to use in tight work cells because of the articulated arm allows you to get, all the way close to the column fairly easily, and then all the way out, with very minimal effort or force. You're talking less than a few pounds of force to move this around. I'm pulling it around with one finger right now. So very easy to use, very lightweight for an arm to handle a couple hundred pounds. So the combination of these two tools should really help out in this application. For any more information, give us a call or visit ergonomicpartners.com. Thank you.